Django query to retrieve rows that meet aggregate criteria on related table. I'm really stuck on a Django query and I'm hoping you've got a couple minutes to help me figure it out. I have a very simple model. What I want to do is randomly select a task that has fewer than n assignments that are status not equal r. In other words, I want to make sure each task gets successfully completed n times, so if a worker requests a task it needs one that has fewer than n tasks in a state that could lead to finishing. I'm just totally lost trying to figure out the query that would return such tasks. For a given task, I can test. And if that is true, it's a candidate. But how do I query task.objects in such a way that it returns all candidates in a single database query such that I can randomly choose one? Any help would be appreciated.
From Django, db, models import count, task.objects exclude, assignments _ status equals r. Annotate, assignments _ count equals count, assignments. Filter, assignments _ count _ gt equals n.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.